Hello guys and welcome back to Battle Cat. Now I want you guys to be able to hear me, so yeah. Is that really all you got? Oh, it's our Jay. Eat. Wait, cut a cat. Watch out! Got a cat! Great. Here comes an alien bear that I did not ask for. You're uninvited. You're invited to my party. Back. Dude! Leave she over! Holy Valkyrie. No, holy Valkyrie. Just Valkyrie, go. It's hard to know. Okay, there's a boss coming out. Yes, go. So far we're winning. Well, okay, here comes the second one. Yeah, we totally have to this one. I don't know why I didn't go power soft cat. Really weird. Back! Why would the white rabbit? Guys, I have a feeling that white rabbit in this game wouldn't be out. We need to do right? So why would you? No? Why slow? Why not something else? No, slow is the best. Doggies, please. Ooh. We're winning. Wait, I'm pretty sure it's going God. No! Oh! Well, as soon as that guy attacked his friend, people were like, no. Yes! Bro! Stop bombarding us with stuff! I want to get the black rabbit, not just the white. Onibushi. Dog. Ushi Boshi. Oni Elantrica Komashi Mario. What? The White Rabbit. Lucifer the Fallen. Grand Lucifer. Togaluga. Togaland Passer. Now, I really want to evolve Carrion. Actually, could I evolve him? I could. Paris, I'm getting Paris.
Harbor Freight knows skill is important because on any given day,
I'm in save money mode right now. Now, guys, save money mode. Zoom out.
You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. Yeah, you can't see my QR code. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. I don't know why you're doing this. I don't even want to go. I don't know why you're doing this. Go. You didn't see anything. YouTube, look at me. You didn't see anything. Add a break. We're doing an ad break. Ad break. You can just skip this if you want, but ad break. Yeah. Take that. Data one. Dude, oh my god. Oh my god, okay, it's happening. Second. Oh, yes. I got pizza. Oh, baby, yeah, I'm winning. Hey, what the heck, dude? Let me win. I could win. Easy. Bro, hurry up. Oh yeah, it's kind of a bob. How much really something is? There's gonna be a boss 1 trillion%. If they're coming out and sending peons, then there's definitely gonna be a strong boss. Okay, next time I play this stage, I need to know. Note to myself, don't put out Solar Cat along with your meat shields. That is a bad idea. You will lose the stage. You know, I think we should just start going Yep, it's a big Valkyrie. Why is there anything coming out? I don't know what this is. Oh, heck no, bro. You lost your bounty. Lots of physical and power shot cards. Not power shot cards. I don't like this. Why is he... Just keep attacking. But yeah, rewind. Oren? Oren! Oren, please. Oren. Great, NASA. Oren. Oren. Oren, what are you even barking at? Sorry, my God. I'm pretty sure you are. Hey! Oh my God. Dude! Why did you do that? I didn't want to meet you. Okay, you know what? Are you serious? Why have you done this? Oh, wait, hold on. They can take out these fast. Okay, we need a lot of these. Dude! Bro! What the heck? They could have a floating base and start seeing aliens who don't even know. Bro. Okay, so I was right. That so carry us. Our cutter cat could have carried us to the stage. You know what? Bro! Dude! That's not what we need right now! You know, let the pro play. Let me play. Ooh, it's a Dude! Oh my God, that's super dope! Why are you oftentimes in a blind spot? Like that's my question. Why do you do that? It's not a bad thing that you do that, but I'm just that's not supposed to happen. What the heck are you considering? If we can kill this gorilla, then we wouldn't have any. Oh, never mind. We killed it, guys. We killed Harambe, and Harambe's back. Alright, we need to kill the floating face. I'll just let it autoplay. Oh my gosh, they're down here with me soon, yeah. Something tells me I'm gonna have to take in these copper miners. Or something like these. Yes! Oh my god! Yes! We came back! The world's best comeback? Just keep attacking! Kill the floating face! No! Please. You were so close, dude! Alright, well, that's a GG, though. Go away. Stop it! Carry us, save me! Carry us! Please! Please! No, Dark Ghost! Please, we're so close! We can win this! Please! No! Stop! Please! It's the gories! Please! Kill the floating face! No! Please! We're so close! Please. No! Are you serious? Alright, I'm gonna have to save up. Well, next time I'm gonna save up for the rabbit. This. Turn it off. Turn it off. Alright, yeah. I feel like that was a good strat. Well, the strat that I did was probably good. A good one. Alright, I want to take out you. And yeah. If only you were good against black, then this stuff would be a lot more easier. They're overpowering us a lot, so let's just get out. So they can hopefully deal with the others and that's it. Alright, here comes the goal. Dude! Spawn! Oh my god, I didn't want to spawn a cameraman! At least we're doing good. I feel like we can rush this stage if we try hard enough. Never mind. Bro, I didn't even touch it. Ah, leave it. Yeah, you having a fun time bouncing around up there? Yeah. No! Alright, I need to save up for the rabbit. The rabbit. I need to get the rabbit, please. Yes, yes. Alright, I got the rabbit. If we have meat shield in front of her, then we should be able to win. Go! Attack, rabbit! No, stop. Dude! Please! Gory, you're gonna ruin my life. Oh, we knocked him back. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. That bird is in the room, I like it. He's in the blind spot again. Attack! What? Come back. Just go with the rabbit. The attempt with the rabbit was good. You can still come back from this. You can live still. Ooh, cameraman, W commando. If we could get Valkyrie out here, then that would be a massive W. Colossal W. If that base wasn't able to slow, then we would have a lot easier chance of winning this. But no. Yes! We did it! The rabbit strat worked. We did it with the rabbit. Let's go. Alright, the rabbit is good. Keep the rabbit. Wait. Let's check my enemy stat. Wait, hold on. Loading. Oh, wait, hold on. You're just better. Surge attacks. Immune to waves. Turbo and Passive could be immune to with the giant piggy alien. Oh yeah, I forgot. Know what I mean? Elizabeth the Lift alien. Sakano the Piger Pigpen. Liz almost ended her entire lineup after choking on a mushroom. She's still blue to this day. Uses powerful wave attacks. Nice. Oh yeah, I tried facing on against the Aku. The Aku slide cone. I'm gonna tell you, I lost badly, and I wanted to get the Aku researcher, but I wasn't able to. Yes, the Bermuda Triangle. I haven't got like a timed one in a bit, but yeah, having the CPU is pretty good. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's continue. What do I feel like this is the stage that has the... This is the ruin mode. No. Bro! I was supposed to save that up for a 150 draw. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, bro. No CPU, don't do anything. Caralho. Yo the caralho. Before I hurt us. Yo the caralho. Yo the caralho. Ari. Yo the. Oh, it's like so hard. I feel like the rabbit. Attack! Are you attacking? Yes. Are you doing good? You're doing good, man. Good. I feel like I shouldn't have hit it that much, but it doesn't get strong. How do they fare against the hippo? Alright, they picked some of the dogs. Don't worry, more meat cubes are coming in to save the day. Attack meat cube! Keep attacking! Keep attacking! Oh, meat cube! Once they kill the hippo, I'm gonna spam. Well, this punch is killing me. Alright, now they're starting to kill my stack. Oh crap, wait, hold on, look. I looked away for like 2 seconds. Alright. Now, get that thing! Get everything! That's it? Alright. Wait, hold on. Control power shot cat. 100 power shot cat. CPU. Go ham. No CPU. Go ham CPU. Save up. Save up for power shot. We need him. I want to get Valkyrie out, but I don't have that starting. I don't have that boost of cash right now. Oh, thank you, Cat CPU. You got Valkyrie. Thanks. That Valkyrie. Valkyrie! Oh, no. Incredibly time. Oh, our Cat CPU did a good thing. But they're gonna kill the rabbit. Just sad. Never mind, they didn't kill the rabbit. On new record. Like that's how you can go. Brazil. Oh. I'm pretty sure we're getting close to the final stage. Sorry, listen, there's no bouncing that ball. It's just so satisfying. I'll be right back. I need to go finish this right. Hello guys, I'm back. Alright, let's continue. I'm still in my cool store, so if you hear me taking off clothes, it's probably just my socks. Alright. Oh, metal hippo, you say? I feel like we just overpowered the metal hippo. The metal hippos are nothing too crazy. A middle hippo is not anything too crazy, but still being able to do it. It's stinky and cycling fast, so I'm not sure if it's really? During a lane ride, just at the start. Perfect, just what we need. Alright, well hey, at least we're catching the lane right now. We need to get a shot instead of power shot. Alright, I'm gonna see what's the white rabbit. I'm back! Ooh! Cycle. I mean, sorry, I'm not calling you a cycle. I'm just saying your name. Come on. You did it! Let's just kill the cat. for the cat. Floating continent. Now, I'm not sure if this one has the board in it or what, but let's just go in. Sniper, video. Stop. Turn you on. Alright, I'm pretty sure that I will be fire off a shot.
A baba. What's wrong?
If I see angel hippos coming at me, then I'm gonna be scared. For mama. Well, about what I said, I'm pretty sure this one has the boar in it. So yeah, we should need to go through this first. Attack! The white rabbit is alright. The white rabbit is oh! Good hit by white rabbit! Knock her back. Gabriel! Gabriel! No, I'm pretty sure we should be able to work on this stage. Well, I'm gonna try that. I'm pretty sure this one doesn't have the board, but if it does, then rip us. Hit the base. I don't think we even boards here. Only one. Right.
Oh, heck no, bro. I knew it.
That's cool. That's big. Okay, here comes a moth. The things are in hard already. Kill the Gabriel. Alright, we're not coming back. We're doing good. Alright, sneeze on the Zoe cat. Sneeze. Two. Did Zoe cat die? Ain't no way, bro. Oh my god. Bro, we're stacking up so many psycho cats, bro. This is just unfair. At this point, bro. Psycho cat. But yeah, we won. I can't do anything. Oh my god. Hey! Dude, what the heck? What are you doing? Alright. Easy. Where's the boar? Ah yes, Numi boar. Alien. His bold cut helps him contain the force of his rational power. Looking for a dashing starship captain to help him learn how to feel. Tease away logic and tusks. But yeah, easy G. More dog. Oh. All right. Let's go. Guys, we can win this. Whoa, hold on. This is the way for like 1 minute. No, you weakened him! How would you do that? I see how oh, yes, I need Lemur, what the heck are you doing here? I would get Valkyrie if I could. Golly, dude. They're pushing hard for this one. Oh! I feel like I should keep them stalled there. I can get up the white rabbit. Oh my god. But why did I do that to start? Valkyrie was actually protected by some meat shields, then I could have won this. But no! Alright, let's see. How did I do? Are you serious right now? Bro, did you see the amount of times I knocked it back? What do you mean somebody who... Almost beat me with the actual... Why is the pig here? Why is the pig here? Alright, you know what?
I want to make sure I don't miss the boar when he comes. I just went ahead and put out my my octopus too early, like a genius. Genius! Look at Macho doing his thing, guys. Just standing there soaking up all the damage from Lusa.
You guys didn't see that. YouTube, don't copyright me. Why is this so big? Oh, oopsie, long run out. Nah, this is the real one. Can she not take on a dragon? Does that base do damage? Oh, dang. No, I usually say like burger, but I like saying like wait, that son is a trainer coming also. Alright, well, now that I know the son is a trainer coming, I know how to deal with you. Oh, bro, what the she got? She got. Hey, you killed. I think that's it, honestly. That's it. Well, we have 60 on Give me something. Alright. I feel like the public funny is gonna be here. Now I know Matt Shea said that, but you know. Oh. Alright. Attack! Get us out! There you go. I didn't see what was that way.
Finest pit!
Okay, bye guys.